This sucks. Brand new Xbox Series X. And this is what it does. Won't turn on. Remove the power cord. Still didn't work. Plugged into a strip, didn't work. Plugged into the outlet by itself, didn't work. All of this power, I can't even use it. Even plugged the HDMI cord into the system, still didn't work. I've been playing with this thing. This thing has been touched over and over and over again. It just doesn't work. None in stock. Can't even get a replacement. Life sucks.